Okay, so this is the original radio, as you know, and it's completely screwed. It doesn't actually work anymore. There's no sound coming out of it whatsoever. Apparently it's a bit of a common issue. As you can see, fucking full volume, nothing. So out it's got to go and in with the new. Now when you get the Eonon unit, you get this handy tool, which is what we're going to use to pry this stuff up and get all that gubbins off so we can get this out. Should be a fairly simple install. So yeah, let's get on with it. There's the old unit, big old lump that doesn't work anymore. So what we'll do, lay that down on there, and now the massive wiring. What we're going to want, what we're going to not want, and so on. So we've got our aerial, which will plug into this one, and that plugs into the Eonon unit. That's your main plug, thus. And then we've got, I'm assuming will be speakers and camera to look up for this one at some point, but we'll figure that out. Much more wiring in here. So we have our GPS or Wi-Fi, not too sure which one this one is yet. I don't think it matters, but it looks like GPS to me. That looks like GPS. This looks like Wi-Fi to me. Yep, that looks like the Wi-Fi one. Okie dokie. So what have we got on the back? Let's have a look. So everything's going to plumb into here, including that. So that's going to be the first one that hooks up in like so, which is power amongst other things. Okay, so we ran into a bit of an issue. The head unit turned out to be absolutely fine. That we were getting no sound from it, but it turns out that wasn't the issue. The issue was the other common problem, which was the actual amplifier, which was under the seat on the driver's side. So I had to take that out. I sent it off to an expert. The link for him is in the description, because I'm sure there's got to be plenty more of them happening due to the shit components that Bose have put in. The guy who will repair it for you, who's in the description below, gives you a lifetime warranty on the fix. So yeah, it's a no-brainer really. If you get no sound, then that'll be probably the issue. So I'll get back to the vid where we've sent the amp off and we've just received it back. So I'm going to install it and show you how to install it, which is how you uninstall it in reverse. So let's get back to the vid. Okay, so we had to cut the video short because we ran into what was the reason why the head unit wasn't working. And the common problem with the head unit is not what was happening with ours. It turned out it was the other common problem, which was the Bose amplifier. So we had to send it off to be repaired, and now it's back, all repaired lifetime guarantee from a Bose repair expert. Yeah, all the links for the description for the guy who fixes these. Yeah. Okay guys, what we've got hooked up is the Wi-Fi, the GPS, which I've just mounted to the top of the unit, USB, which is here, and we've drilled a little hole there to go to the unit. And what else have we got? We've got the auxiliaries hooked up for them in there. Here it is. The auxiliary port there is hooked up. Not that we need it, but you know, there we go. So that's all you need to be hooked up. So we'll just place the unit in place and screw it back in. Okay peeps, it's the big reveal. Let's see if we get any noise, anything. It's a big turn on. Now if we don't get any sound, it's probably because I've hooked it up wrong. And if that's the case, we'll take all this apart again, pull this out and diagnose what's going on. Yay!
Get your own.
There we have it.
Delivery and takeaway now available.
Okay, that seems to be working. Okay, so that concludes the video, or does it? No, it doesn't. I've got some bonus stuff for you. I'll tell you about it in just a second. So as you can see, the stereo is dead easy to install. It's just pop the top off, undo 2 nuts, pull the unit out, unplug it, plug the new unit in, push it into place, 2 screws, top on, bang, done. Simple as that. It'll take you all of 30 minutes if you're taking your sweet time and want to brew and stuff. or unless you've got an amp issue like I had, in which case you'll have to send that off, and it takes, well, he did a quick turnaround actually. I sent it off, next day delivery. This was on Monday. He received it on the Tuesday, fixed it on the Tuesday, sent it out on the Wednesday, and I got it on Thursday. Couldn't have done it any quicker, to be fair. Top fella. So yeah, link in the description to him is down below if you're having those sorts of issues. So I thought I'd stick on some extra bonus stuff on here. It's a bonus thing that I decided I wasn't going to dedicate a whole video to, mainly because it only takes 2 seconds to do, and I had them lying around. So I won't tell you anything about it. I'll just nip to the next bit of footage now. So if you've stayed this long, well done. Hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next vid. I'll just let this play out. See you later. Yeah, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is absolutely blazing outside. I've got a really cheap mod here that I'm going to put on the car. It'll take me all of 2 seconds, but we're going to lash them on and see what it looks like. What are they, you might be asking? These little eBay specials. Now I did buy these originally for the black MPS, but I didn't put them on because I actually ended up with complete side skirts. But these are going to go on, and it's nice carbon against the white car. It's going to look sick. So let's lash them on. This is only going to be a short vid. Got some self tappers. Just got to get the spacing right, and then we're good to go. Let's go.